Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your vehicles. Today, we're diving into something that's been bugging a lot of Toyota and Lexus owners: how to reset the VC light on your 2025 models. The VC light, or Vehicle Check Light, is that nagging dashboard indicator that pops up after maintenance or when something needs attention. Don't worry, it's a quick fix that you can do yourself in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your vehicle is parked in a safe spot and the engine is off. This is crucial for safety. Now, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. You'll see the dashboard lights illuminate. Next, locate the trip meter reset button, usually near your speedometer or on the steering wheel. For most 2025 Toyota and Lexus models, press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until the VC light starts flashing. Keep holding it. Yes, it might take a moment. Once the light flashes, release the button and then turn off the ignition. Wait for about 5 seconds, and then start your engine. Voila! The VC light should now be reset. But hey, if it doesn't go away, it might indicate a real issue, so double-check your vehicle's manual or consult a professional. Remember, this method works for many 2025 models, but always verify with your specific car's guidelines to avoid any complications. A few pro tips. Use this opportunity to check your oil and other fluids while you're under the hood. And if you're new to car maintenance, wearing gloves can keep things clean. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive advice, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.